Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about resetting OneDrive back to default in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa apps, yung pinakauna lang, ito yung installed apps, so click mo natin yan. And then dito sa installed apps at search apps, dito na sa taas, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung OneDrive. So makikita mo dito yung OneDrive Microsoft Corporations, and then dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong tatlong dots, click mo lang yan. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang select dito yung advanced option. And then dito sa advanced options, ang next step, so scroll down. And then dito lang sa reset, and then kailangan mo lang i-click tong reset. Okay? Para mag-back to default setting ko siya. And then i-click mo lang tong reset. And then makikita mo itong pop-up notifications na this will permanently deletes the apps data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So, kailangan mo na click ng reset, and then wait natin na ma-complete yung reset procedure. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na complete na yung reset, and then, so close lang natin yan, and other solution na pwede mong gawin. So, dito lang sa ating keyboard ay kailangan mo nang i-press yung Windows logo plus letter R, and then makikita mo dito yung run command. Okay, so dito sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-copy and i-paste natin itong command keyword na to. So, copy lang natin yan at ilalagay ko to sa description box. So, local app data percent Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive.exe/reset. So, copy lang natin yan. And then, dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-paste yan. And then, next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click to. Okay, so click mo lang siya. Right. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple. Alright, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Click mo lang tong restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to reset OneDrive in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.